following message is transmitted at request of the United States Geological Survey. A very unknown fault line has triggered a 7.1 magnitude earthquake that ruptured the Hoover Dam along the Colorado River in southeast Nevada. Minutes later, the dam has suddenly collapsed, leading a big wave of water towards the city of Las Vegas. All residents along the Colorado River must evacuate to high ground. Casualties from this quake is unknown. Although a Caltech seismologist called Lawrence Hayes and his colleague Dr. Kim Park were on the Hoover Dam doing research for a new predicting model when the earthquake started, afterwards, Kim Park has died from a serious foot injury. Those in Las Vegas should evacuate immediately. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. Message is transmitted at request of the United States Geological Survey. A 9.1 magnitude earthquake has ruptured downtown Los Angeles. The number of casualties are unknown, and many high-rise buildings are on fire and are now due to collapse at any time. At this time, all residents in downtown Los Angeles should evacuate immediately. Remain calm and do not panic. Residents should stock up on food and supplies to last for several months. The National Guard and the Red Cross are being dispatched to make sure that everyone gets the help they need. Stay tuned for more updates on this ongoing crisis. The following message is transmitted at request of the Bakersfield Police Department. Mass rioting and chaos is taking place at the Bakersfield shopping mall. They are looting with extreme nasty attitudes, and they are heavily armed with guns. Police are urging all citizens to stay indoors and to not let anyone into your home. Those participating in this riot will be arrested. The National Guard is now being sent to help retain order. Stay tuned for more updates on this ongoing situation. Message is transmitted by order of the United States Geological Survey. A 9.6 magnitude earthquake just struck the city of San Francisco, California. There have been reports of mass damage to buildings and bridges. Number of casualties are unknown at this time, but emergency officials are getting overwhelmed on this extreme chaos. Also, the Coit Tower is now engulfed in flames. Those touring the Coit Tower should evacuate immediately. Also, it was discovered that these megaquakes that hit Los Angeles and now San Francisco is caused by a fault line called San Andreas subduction zone. Those along the fault line should evacuate as quickly as possible.